Welcome back from the ad break. Now let us continue with our application questions. Looking at the first question, we have our grocery slip or our till slip. Now, remember we have said firstly you start by checking the context that is given on the slip. So now we can see that we have other items that are zero rated. Now let us look at the question. Show that the total cost of items exempted from VAT marked with an asterisk cost 32 Rand 97. So already this cost, it's been included on the till slip. We just need to show how it was calculated. So now remember we've said we are only checking those items with an asterisk, meaning they are our basic need or they are zero rated from VAT. Now we have 14 Rand 99 plus 10 Rand 99 plus 6 Rand 99. So we have added all those with an asterisk. So now let us see if they give us the total amount that it's on the slip. So yes, we get 32 Rand 97. So that's how this amount was calculated or was worked out. They simply added all the zero rated items. Let's go to the next question. Lithabo claims that the total VAT charged was calculated incorrectly. The VAT charge was supposed to be more than 25 Rand. Verify her claim. So we need to check by means of calculations whether her claim is correct or incorrect. So now looking at this, the till slip. So the tax, the total tax that is charged on this is 21 Rand 66. So she claims that it should have been more than 25 Rand. So now remember, on this till slip, there are items which are zero rated. We must exclude them from what? From VAT. So the zero rated items, they cost us what? 32 Rand 97. And the VAT amount was charged on 144.37 cents. And the total amount of all these items, it was 177.37. Sorry, 34. So it simply means that they have subtracted from the 177.34 cents, they have subtracted the zero rated items, and they have charged VAT only on those items that are not our basic needs. So it means they have charged VAT on 144.37. Right, so now let us see the amount of VAT that will be charged on this. So we are going to say 144.37 multiplied by 15 over 100. So 144.37 multiplied by 15 over 100. So this gives us an amount of 21 Rand 66. So Lithabo's claim was incorrect because she said that it should have been more than 25 Rand, and only to find out that it is only 21 Rand 66. Right, number 3. Lithabo bought a birthday cake for her little brother and paid an amount of 108.99 cents. Calculate the amount of the cake before VAT, meaning this is the price that she paid, but there's an amount before VAT, which we call it VAT exclusive amount. So she paid 108.99. So we need to find the amount of VAT before. So we are going to say multiply by 100 over 115. So before VAT, this birthday cake was 94 4.77. This was before. So this now, VAT has already been added. That is why it appears to be more than this one. It's less because VAT was not yet added on it. Calculate the amount of VAT charged on the cake. Amount of VAT charged on the cake. So we can take our VAT inclusive amount and subtract our VAT exclusive. So amount charged on this, 108.99 minus 94.77. So meaning amount of VAT, it was 14.22. Now you can prove this by taking this VAT amount and add it with the VAT exclusive amount. It should take you to 108.99. Next question, which is number 4 on application. One of the cell phone providers quotes a cell phone at 19,850 excluding VAT. Calculate the price of the cell phone including VAT, meaning that's the price you'll be paying in total. Now, we have this cell phone that costs 19,850. Expensive. Multiply by, so we are looking for VAT inclusive. So we're going to multiply that by 115 over 100. Right, so now that gives us a total amount to be paid. It's 22,827.5. So after a comma, if there's only one digit, you just add a 0 to make it 50 cents. So we are just going to add a 0 so that it equals to 22,827.50. Right, then number 5. A new car costs 165,300 excluding VAT. Calculate the inclusive amount of the price. So now we need to calculate the total amount that will be paid actually. So we have 165,300. So this will be multiplied by the procedure or the formula that we are using for VAT inclusive. It's 115 over 100. Okay, so now this gives us a total amount of 190,095. So meaning this is the total amount I'll be paying if I want to purchase this car. All right, learners, that's it for our application questions. Let's go for an ad break. We will be right back.